Hi friends, I am Joel John, YouTube blogger, and as we all know, I thought of starting a YouTube channel as I suffered without notes on for writing the NISM Distributor 5A exam. So I thought of putting videos for NISM, but I was a little bit scared that I may go wrong on some point. Later, I developed the confidence when I heard a prominent YouTube blogger from Tamil Nadu, now through Yearbook channel, which he started recently. He is a prominent blogger all over the world, and he said on one of his speech that he also used to do mistake on his earlier stage. That gave me the confidence to create a channel, but NISM videos doesn't have the good reach. But still, I am trying to put efforts to prepare and present videos. One among that is this, the part B2, trusteeship role in mutual funds. So getting into the video, I'm going to talk about the trusteeship roles. It's very theoretical. I'll just read it out and spend time and listen carefully and listen again and again. Read. There's a book published for this, and check it on Google and find out the book supplier. And ILFS Investments are those who put book for this. Get that and study properly. Okay, hard work gives success. This is for if you are not driving, if you are traveling, if you are not in a mood to study, you want to just listen to something, listen to this. Share it with your friends, relatives, press the thumbs up, share your valuable comments for improvements and suggestions. And the more you support, I can bring up more videos like that, and I can also become a full-time YouTuber and give you more content. Okay, fine. Getting into the topic, trusteeship role in mutual funds. Trustees' critical role is to ensure the mutual fund complies with the regulation and protect the interest of the unit holders. Every trustee has to be a person of ability, integrity, and standing. A person who is guilty of moral turpitude cannot be appointed as a trustee, should not be convinced of any economic offense or violation of any securities law, and no employee, office, director, including independent directors of AMCs, can be appointed as trustees of mutual funds. A person can be appointed as a trustee for only one fund and cannot be appointed for more funds. Before appointing a person in trusteeship role, approval from SEBI is needed. Sponsor has to appoint at least 4 trustees in a trustee company. If a trustee company is appointed, then at least 4 directors on board is requested. At least 2/3 of the trustees or directors of the board of trustee company need to be independent trustees, that is, not associated with the sponsor in any way. Rights and responsibilities of the trustees. Trustees perform a key role in ensuring legal compliance and protecting the interest of investors. So, various general due diligence and special due diligence responsibilities are assigned to them. Trustees enter into an investment management agreement with the asset management company AMC, which defines the functions of the AMC in making and managing the mutual fund investments. Trustees have the right to seek any information from AMC to facilitate meeting their responsibilities. Trustees ensure that before the launch of any scheme, all the key personnel and associates such as fund managers, compliance officer, register and transfer agent, RT agent, auditors, and others have been appointed, and all systems are in place. Periodically review the service contracts entered into for custodiary agreements, transfer agencies, and others, and ensure all are in the interest of unit holders. Ensure all service providers are registered with SEBI. Ensure all the transactions entered into by AMC, Asset Management Company, are in compliance with the regulation and the scheme's objective and intent. Ensure that any of the AMC's dealings with brokers and other associates and even unit holders of other schemes are not compromise the interest of its unit holders. If conduct of business of the mutual fund is contrary to the provision of the regulation, then trustees must take corrective actions and inform SEBI of the same. The trustees shall not permit a change in the fundamental attributes of the scheme. The trustees or fees and expenses or any other change that will affect the investor of the units holders. Unless a written communication is sent to each unit holder and notice is given in the newspaper with a national circulation, and the unit holders are given the option to exit the NAV without paying the exit load. So, trustees have to file details of their securities dealings on a quarterly basis with the mutual fund. Note, the security dealings are filed on quarterly basis with mutual funds. On quarterly basis, the trustees review the transaction of the mutual fund with the asset management company, that is AMC, and its associates, net worth of the AMC, and ensure any shortfall is made up. Trustees periodically review the investors' complaints received and their redressal by the AMC Asset Management Company. Ensure that the trust property is properly protected, held, and administered. Trustees obtain and consider the report of the auditors and compliance officer in their periodic meetings and take actions if required or as required. Trustees make half-yearly reports to SEBI, and the trustee report for SEBI is done on half-yearly period. Note this. SEBI strikes provisions so as long way in promoting the independence of the role of trusteeship in the mutual funds. Okay friends, with this I come to an end of the role about trusteeship. Okay, so listen to this again and again. Be very careful, read more, because it's a very kind of a subject which you have to memorize. There is no other go, as I know. Some things which you can understand, I will be helping you a lot to understand. And part C will be something interesting, which is about the rules of various designations in mutual fund. That will also be soon launched on a Wednesday, and after that I will try to video. That's what about the reason why the personality videos come on Monday. That will be uploaded on late night of Sunday by after 8 p.m. we can take it that way, or by 6 p.m. itself sometimes. So that will be a personality video, and personalities you are going to be discussed on. That is, first is Kamala Harris. It's already getting uploaded, and then it will be like Sundar Pichai and Pradeep, a chemist. That will be the next one. IIT professor. Yes, talked about my chemistry, and so that definitely I will be coming up with a lot of videos about science subjects and all those, and those will be coming on some other dates. Okay, so because as we have fixed Monday for personalities and Saturday for marketing related videos and artificial intelligence, social media, digital media, all those. So we have to find look on other days. And so Wednesday for mutual fund I am fixed because I haven't made the content ready for this. I'm sorry for that, because requires lot of works to shorten a little bit itself, because everything is important on the book. So I cannot reproduce the book because that's against copyright policy. So I have to find out notes and other steps, and I have to give a presentation to you. That's really hard. Okay friends, anyhow I will try to give my best for this as well. So already we have a lot of videos on mutual funds, so if you go through that itself for 3 to 4 hours, so start doing on that and practice more. And now there are a lot of content for mutual fund and NISM exam in YouTube itself, so you can search and go with the other contents as well, because success in exam is more important than supporting me. But please do support me as well, because I want to live a life which I aimed at. I want to become a chemist, I want to achieve something. That's again coming back on my mind, which I thought on school days. I just thought of becoming a prominent YouTuber, get a good income from this, quit my job and sleep. Now I want to find something. I want to do that. Okay friends, and I will definitely, even if you go for research, I will get a lot of more free time, as I will be doing that only after quitting my job. So if that happens, everything is on your hands. Share my videos much. Ask your friends to share, ask your friends to subscribe, ask them to watch it on my free time. Start discussing with your video. If you click on my photo and click on the videos tab, you'll have all my videos. Check with your friends what video they want and send it to them, and ask them to check with their friends and send. Like that, try to promote me as much as possible. It's a humble request from my side. And those who are financially capable of supporting to me, use the join button. You have supporting options right from 29 rupees per month to 7,999. Already I am getting a good amount of support from people who have joined me, because the channel membership contribution I get is more than the advertisement contribution, which was running for about a year, and this channel contribution started before 2 or 3 months. So thank you for all your philanthropic mind, and this is only for rich people. If you are not wealthy enough, don't mind, because for that matter I am not a paid member for any channel, but because of YouTube channels I learned a lot, and I have achieved a lot of success in my life and a lot of joy and happiness. The stress levels in my heart has got reduced when I was on a very critical situation because of YouTube, and to no one I paid, other than even I skipped their ads. So it's all on a part of life. So okay, if ads are interesting and new, and if you found that to be valuable, listen to that, I will just skip it, but promote my channel. That's the main thing. Thank you very much for your support and listening to me for this long, and it's time to say bye. See you again, just signing off. Bye.